Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a Python program that allows users to order items in a graph using a variety of algorithms. We will use the networkx library for creating and manipulating graphs and matplotlib for visualization. This tutorial assumes a basic understanding of Python programming. Before we begin, make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. Let's start by creating a simple graph using the networkx library. For this example, we'll create a directed graph to represent the order of items. Now, let's implement an algorithm to determine the order of items in the graph. For simplicity, we'll use a topological sorting algorithm. Topological sorting is a linear ordering of the vertices such that for every directed edge UV, vertex U comes before V in the ordering. To make the program interactive, let's allow the user to choose the starting item for the ordering. We'll modify the code to prompt the user for input. Now you can run the program and experiment with different starting items to see the ordered sequence of items in the graph. This tutorial provides a basic example of ordering items in a graph using Python. Depending on your specific requirements, you might explore more advanced algorithms or customize the program further. ChatGPT. Title: Python Tutorial, Order Items in a Graph with Choice. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to order items in a graph using Python. We will focus on allowing users to make choices to determine the order of items in the graph. This can be useful in various scenarios, such as organizing data, prioritizing tasks, or visualizing dependencies. We'll use the networkx library to create and manipulate the graph. Prerequisites. Code example. Explanation. We start by importing the necessary libraries, networkx for creating and manipulating graphs, and matplotlib for graph visualization. The display_graph function is defined to visualize the graph using matplotlib. The order_items function creates a directed graph, adds nodes and edges to it, and then displays the initial graph. The user is prompted to make choices for ordering the items in the graph. For each node, the available choices are displayed, and the user is asked to input their selection. The user's choices are used to modify the graph by removing and adding edges accordingly. Finally, the ordered graph is displayed. To run this example, copy the code into a Python file and execute it. Follow the on-screen prompts to make choices and observe how the graph is ordered based on user input. ChatGPT.